Clutch. Oh, bro.
Reckless driving.
I can probably tow us out here for you.
Hey guys, it's Dustin. Welcome to the Sideways YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go buy an RX-7, and I can't really drive it, so yeah, let's see if I can actually make it home before burning the clutch or exploding the Dorito. Let's go.
In my life growing up, the money came and went. I remember months my mama couldn't pay the rent. No AC or no heat coming out my
There's
vents.
the RX-7.
But she stay strong. I don't know how she did.
Figure out how to drive manual in my new RX-7. I can't even read where reverse is on this, so where's reverse?
Okay, then it's up and over.
It's
yeah, over,
like that,
yeah,
right?
Yep.
Okay. That's first, right?
Clutch.
Oh, bro, I don't understand. I had RPM.
Make sure you got a lot of room.
I was gonna say,
stall it-
I'm waiting until it's very clear. I'm gonna wait till
Please
it's
do.
very clear.
Please do.
Why? Because you want to get T-boned, bro? I've just been holding this clutch in for about an hour.
Yeah.
This dude's gonna try to let me. One of these people are gonna try to let me go, and I'm not gonna be able to go.
Hey, get more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas. Yeah. No, oh, stop.
Wait,
stop,
did it
stop,
stall?
Yes. You gotta restart the engine.
Fuck. There we go. This is so bad, bro. It's an experience, bro.
You got a right turn onto the freeway going. So.
Oh, whoa, no, don't go freeway, bro.
Freeway's
Oh, there's a fucking Hellcat. Call me Ed. Yeah, boy. Hellcat. It's not. It's just a normal jam. Look at that, Miata. We're friends. Hey, she's pogging out. She knows. She knew.
There you go.
First ride. Aren't you honored to do that?
How
with
was
me?
it? How was it?
Honestly, so fun. I don't know how to open these doors. There we go.
Yeah.
We could literally
It would still sound
disconnect
a
it
lot
right
better.
now,
You could disconnect
just to
it,
see
yeah.
how it sounds.
Go ahead.
It's gonna be cut off in the middle.
Should we do it?
But we can
Do it. Do it.
go inside.
Oh, it just comes off like that?
Well, it's
Not behind it, though.
We're chopping off the exhaust so it makes noise. Yes, sir. But I don't know what noise it's gonna actually make. I heard it doesn't until you port it. Yeah, I was like, I heard until you port it, it doesn't do
It
it.
will sound better.
There it is. Actually sounds like it has an exhaust.
Jordan, what are we doing right now?
Going on the drift wheels. About to go for fun.
Grew up around the streets trying to get that money. Real nigga shit, no, this shit ain't funny. Grew up around the streets trying to get that money. Real nigga shit, no, this shit ain't funny. I'm always jigging and finessing, horseshoes and I'm dressing. Stay full on my bros, rich like be flexing. If you wanna learn, nigga, I got free lessons. I know last summer, now I'm banned up, it's a blessing. Call me if you need a bag, I ain't the one to be texting. 9 to 5 ain't me, I'ma go to the street. Only face, niggas don't know. I grew up around hustle, so I'm cause I stay on my pivot. I was raised around drugs, straight kids and thugs. Mama tell the game crazy that I don't give a fuck. Trying to get my family out the hood, put them up in the woods. For my grandma, growing, I'm trying to have living good. And my mom, I'm the one to get my family out. So somebody put the words that coming out my mouth. I'm a 7-3, baby, got it tatted on me. And I'ma rep my city, slide D.I.E. Y'all talking cash shit, but I can't see. Detroit, West Side, it is where I be.
It's sick. And this is exactly what the pad's for, baby. Exactly what the pad's for.
Dude.
So we don't have to
I can't fucking wait. It's not just having this on private property.
Yeah, so we don't have to do this shit in the back of a Walmart that's abandoned. We're respectful,
It's
of
in
course.
Mexico, though. It's fine, right?
Yeah, we're in Mexico, obviously. Obviously, you see the sunset? That's a Mexican sunset if you've ever seen one. What can I do for you?
Reckless driving. Can I have your license?
Reckless, I wasn't driving.
Yep. There's witnesses. That
What
said you were
reckless driving where? I wasn't driving. I literally...
Okay, who's driving?
Nobody-
You filmed a video. He admitted that you guys are doing it.
This is not in transit repair.
Once again, I just bought the car. I put it back there. I'm literally waiting for the title.
I can probably tow us out here for you.
I don't even know how to drive manual. I learned today. So like me driving recklessly is probably the funniest thing ever. I'll park it and I'll get someone to tow it. Is that what you want? Call my tow guy right now.
Now let's try again. You are in this parking structure for an improper reason, correct? It is to park.
Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
You are in here to park, all right? Playing some kind of game, correct?
I was not playing a game.
All right, we'll tow your car.
Okay.
I would suggest you leave the city of Ann Arbor because every single cop in the city knows that you are improperly driving this automobile tonight. Do you understand?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Thanks. All right, we're back at the garage, guys. Just had a run-in with the wonderful Ann Arbor Police Department in downtown Ann Arbor. We went to a parking garage to take pictures and go grab some ramen. I guess they didn't like us taking pictures of our cars on the roof of the parking garage. So that's what all that was. I don't know. Nothing happened. Didn't get a ticket. Cop told me that I'm not allowed back in the city. Whatever that means. So now that we're back, we're wrapping our friend's E60. Stay tuned and subscribe if you guys want to see the RX-7 build that we got coming up. New exhaust, I think, should be here soon, as well as intakes. And then the Adro kit and the new wrap on the Supra should be in the next video too. So subscribe, like, comment, follow us on all the socials if you want to see what we're doing and stay up to date with our builds. See you in the next video.